What's good, guys? I hope you're doing well. It's jacobcrypobury here. If you're new to the channel, do subscribe as we navigate opportunities within these bear markets. So we're going to check out AAVE today, back above that $100 level. Finally, 8% pump to the upside today. Market cap sitting pretty at 1.4 billion. Make sure you also turn on the notification bells to be part of the notification nation, and let's crack on. So rank 42 in the ecosystem right now. AAVE is looking rather nice. When we look all the way back at the all-time highs, we had $600+. We're now trading at $100. So it does scream potential undervaluation reaccumulation zones. And what's happening at the moment on the daily time frame is that we got that bottom in around $63. We went from an ascending channel into this descending channel, but we had a nice symmetrical triangle within this. We had a pattern within a pattern. It looked really nice, a big breakout to the upside on this symmetrical triangle right here. That was the opportunity, and right now we're looking at this descending channel, which could effectively break out to the upside of $107 and even $112 over here. So we're looking at these previous swing highs as resistance levels. Take profits at 107, 108, 109 and also $112. They are the take profit zones right now. Of course, looking at the Bollinger Bands, we are a little bit overextended on the blue line, which does indicate that maybe actually we need to come back down a little bit. So it wouldn't be a lot. Of course, we take the impulse, we'd probably only come down to maximum the 0.382 on this occasion, looking at about $99.8 should we see more continuation to the upside. Of course, last time we were overextended on the Bollinger Band was here on the 23rd of May. Then we lost a bit of price. We lost around 10-ish to $20 over there. So we could still come back down, retest this symmetrical triangle before basically moving back up. Maybe something kind of like this. We come back down and then back up through the channel and then retest as support and then blast off to around $112. So that's what I'm looking at the moment on the, pardon me, the AAVE side of things. I think that's a realistic outlook. Of course, we can still lose the support of the descending channel if the rest of the market decides to capitulate, because altcoins move when Bitcoin moves. And if we do lose the support level, well, we're looking at a key level of around $87, which would take us to the bottom of the Bollinger Band and would be moving back down to some previous swing lows of this particular channel here. So you're looking at supports of 84, 79, and even the lower low that we put through on the 12th of May of $65. Zooming out for AAVE right now, it has been a constant downtrend. You can literally just see it joining up all of these particular swings, especially at the top right here. So if we just move that there, drag that down a little bit, that kind of paints you a picture of what could effectively happen with AAVE over the next few days. You can see we get the continuous retracement, like right here we had a retracement. Then we have the retracement that happened right now, 76%, 58%. That was followed by a pump to the upside. So you can just see the perfect retracement followed by impulse followed by retracement. Now it looks like we're getting ourselves ready for a next impulse wave to around maybe even $150 is possible on this occasion, guys. So if you want to grab some AAVE today, make sure you use the link down in my description below. If you either want to buy it, trade it, hodl it, whatever you wish to do, I do think it's still a solid potential investment for the future, especially in the DeFi space, being one of the best crypto borrowing protocols, lending platforms out there. So this is what's happened. You can see the retracements are occurring, and we are effectively, in my opinion, potentially due a pump to the upside. Look at the RSI here. We were already high around 68. RSI here was very overbought. Now the RSI hasn't come up to these higher levels yet, but when it does, that's when we should see the almost $200 price level put in. So that's just my speculation, what I think is going to happen. We can see last time from this swing low, we had put through a 0.786 Fibonacci. And on this one here, so far, we've only put through a 0.23. So if we do put the 0.786, again, it's going to take us quite some way up. I would assume the 0.618 is more realistic. That's where we're getting the $178 price target if the market decides to flip bullish. In the meantime, it's probably best to look out for this $112 because if we do break through the 112 resistance, that's when we really should start seeing a bit of momentum to the upside for AAVE. Crypto bubbles today. Bitcoin is 30.6k. Let's do a quick refresh. 1.9k on Ethereum, so our blue chips are finally getting a little bit pumped to the upside, back through those psychological barriers. Guys, if you want to also become a patron to the channel, you're going to get access to the Discord on a premium level, free ebook, trading signals, as well as potential coaching if you do want it. You'll also get more entries on the giveaways, which happen every single month. So don't miss out on those things. Remember that extreme fear does present opportunity, and with extreme fear comes risk, but we know that extreme fear can be a sign that investors are way too worried, and therefore this is known as a buying opportunity in the market. So would you rather be buying the extreme fear or the extreme greed? I think I know which one I would rather be buying, and that's certainly the extreme fear. Wait for a few years, hodl, build a really nice diverse portfolio, and that's when you look to take the profits and build wealth over time. So AAVE is certainly one that I think is good to buy now. Really, for the long-term hodl, guys, I say all the time, what are the realistic price targets of AAVE in a next bull market? Well, really, it's very, very high. If this is the bottom here at $67, if it really is, then you're looking at $1,000 for AAVE, and that's a really, really big investment. If you missed out on this wave right here of 2,000%, then there's still a chance that you can be involved for a 1,000%. right here if you start accumulating today and scooping up the extreme fear. So I really am looking for the price target occurring over here around $189 for AAVE if we do get the bullish scenario play out. Bearish scenario, we come back down to the $59 level. But again, it depends on many macroeconomic trends and factors out there. It's not just cryptocurrency that decides what it wants to do. There's also economies floating around the entire globe that have an effect on cryptocurrency right now. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, anti-hype, anti-sensationalism, make sure you subscribe, comment, like the video, hop on into the Discord. You can find that in the description below, and make sure you join the 2 Telegram channels, Learn to Trade, and also the one for the comprehensive cryptocurrency news and insights, so you can stay up to date with all the relevant and trending news in the industry. Take care now, stay crypto safe.